Hey guys! How's it going? Today, we're unboxing the upgraded Pro version of the X-20cc-R engine. Let's start by opening the box and taking out the product manual. We'll set that aside for now. Alright, let's have a look at the accessories. This is the electronic speed controller for the starter, which comes as standard with the Pro version. In this bag, we have mounting screws and nuts, with 2 different lengths to choose from. And here we have an Iridium CM6 spark plug. Next, let's take out the engine and unwrap it from the plastic bag. This is a 20 cubic centimeters small displacement single-cylinder engine, 2-stroke. The overall design is quite compact, with a Walbro carburetor. The Pro version of this engine comes with the original electric starter, very easy to use. It featuring a detachable design installed on one side of the engine. This electric starter is pretty compact. Here we have a professional electronic ignition, which works with the Iridium spark plug, offering excellent stability. Let's have a look at the muffler. In this little bag, we have gaskets and screws for the muffler. This is a rear-type muffler made of aluminum. It has good noise reduction effects. Its black paint looks pretty. Here is a special port for the smoke system installation, also a copper tube connector is provided. This is a prop hub adapter that might be used for installing a propeller spinner. Lastly, we have a red one-piece nylon mount used for securely fixing the engine. This mount helps to reduce the engine vibrations effectively. Oops! So, here we have all accessories of the X-20cc-R Pro upgraded engine. Thanks for watching.